that magical time of the year again. Hi, I'm Lulu. Welcome to Bluetimes Special. Today we are turning engineering precision into warmth and turning laser data into heart-filled Christmas decoration. Today we are taking on a project that demands both precision and beauty, an acrylic engraved Christmas tree. After engraving, we clean away the residue. And now, the most exciting moment, powering it on. Now comes the piece everyone's been waiting for, the wooden Christmas tree. Using the extreme precision of laser cutting, we carve incredibly dense, fine slots into the wood. Once the base is fixed and the top decoration is added, a Christmas tree takes shape, full of natural warmth and a clean engineered look. Our final project is all about fun and interaction, a multi-layer 3D assemble-it-yourself holiday ornament. It uses a traditional mortise and tenon locking structure, so there's no glue needed at all. That means faster assembly and a more eco-friendly process. This is what makes digital manufacture truly exciting. With the right tools and design, anyone can turn an idea into something real. From light transmissions to flexibility, from 2 dimensions to 3, this is the Christmas magic we created with technology. This Christmas, may every creative idea be treated with care. May the light get you home.